Every cauldron by the river Tisza has a story. Small fish create the rich and hearty stock, while the finest pieces are cooked in the deep red paprika broth. Carp, catfish, pike or zender, just as the famous Hungarian actress Mariska Vizsvári once enjoyed it. And this is Balázs's favorite! Authentic Szeged Fisherman's soup! Hey, hey! Hey! 3 kilos of carp are ready to go. 3 kilos of dwarf catfish join the show. Finally chop 5 onions large and round. Add salt and paprika, let the magic come around. Cut off the heads and tails with care, but leave a little fish meat clinging there. Fillet the fish and cut it into pieces, then set the finest chunks aside for later. Szeged Fisherman soup, let the fire burn. Paint the whole wide world paprika red in turn. Rich and creamy, fiery and bold. Taste it once, you'll want another bowl. Szeged Fisherman soup, Balázs's favorite dish. Shared among good friends, it's everything you wish. Bring fresh bread and wine and gather one and all. Let the song of the Tisza echo through the hall. Heads, bony pieces and the smaller fish go into the pot with the onions we prepared. Pour in just enough clean water from the start to cover every single piece and every part. Cook it for an hour until the fish is tender, while the tárogató fills the kitchen with its splendor. Carefully remove the fish meat from the bone. Discard every fish bone, but keep the flavorful meat alone. Press the tender fish and onion through a sieve. This is what makes the soup so rich and thick. Add enough of the cooking broth as you go, to help the mixture pass more easily through. Return the smooth mixture to the cooking pot, then add enough water for the amount you want. This is why Szeged Fisherman soup is so renowned. Its stock is rich and creamy, with deep flavor all around. Szeged Fisherman soup, let the fire burn. Paint the whole wide world paprika red in turn. Rich and creamy, fiery and bold. Taste it once, you'll want another bowl. Szeged Fisherman soup, Balázs's favorite dish. Shared among good friends, it's everything you wish. Bring fresh bread and wine and gather one and all. Let the song of the Tisza echo through the hall. Now add the fish cubes to the bubbling stock, the carp and catfish, every tender chunk. Season it with salt until the taste is right, and don't hold back the Szeged paprika's might. If you like your fisherman soup with extra heat, add some hot paprika for a fiery treat. Add the millet and roe to make the flavor whole. They give even greater richness to every bowl. Cook it for another half an hour, but never stir the pots. Gently move the pot itself, so every piece of fish remains intact. Do not overcook it or the fish will fall apart. Watch the fire closely while the cimbalom plays its part. When the broth shines thick and paprika red, call your friends together. The feast is ready to be shared. Hey! Fisherman soup, let the fire burn. Paint the whole wide world paprika red in turn. Rich and creamy, fiery and bold. Taste it once, you'll want another bowl. Szeged Fisherman soup,